Hey math fans! Welcome back to Olympiad Academy, your gateway to advanced problem solving and mathematical reasoning. Many friends have asked, how can I become better at math, solve problems correctly, and reason logically? The answer is not about memorizing formulas. It is about developing a clear and structured way of thinking. This brief tip focuses only on how to solve math problems correctly, not on how to learn or understand entire math lessons, which we can discuss in future videos if you see that it is required. So, feel free to let me know through your welcomed comments. Today, we will discuss briefly a powerful method for solving correctly mathematics problems. It's a proven way of an excellent math problem solving. I tried to shorten it in 4 basic steps. This approach helps students organize their thinking, avoid confusion, and solve even challenging problems with confidence. The first step is read and understand. At this stage, students must read the problem carefully. The goal is not to solve anything yet, but to identify what is given, what is required, and which information is essential. Misunderstanding the problem often leads to incorrect solutions. For example, in Olympiad Academy, Lesson 13, students study a trapezoid where the lengths of the bases and sides are given, but the height is not provided. The main question is to compute the area of the trapezoid. Recognizing that the height is not given is the key step in choosing the right method. The second step is make a plan. Once the problem is clearly understood, students must choose a suitable strategy. This may involve drawing a diagram, adding an auxiliary line, using a known formula, or applying a geometric theorem. In Lesson 13, rather than employing the orthogonal projection of point B onto line DC, which would divide the trapezoid into 2 triangles, necessitating the application of the Pythagorean theorem and the solution of a quadratic equation, thereby resulting in protracted calculations, we adopted a more concise geometric construction. By drawing a line through point B parallel to side AD, this straightforward step forms triangle BCK and immediately transforms the problem into one amenable to clean resolution via Heron's formula, yielding a shorter and more elegant solution. The third step entails solving the problem. In this phase, students meticulously execute the devised plan in a sequential manner, ensuring that each computation is logically coherent and precise. The final step involves reflection and verification. Upon obtaining a solution, students must rigorously evaluate its validity. Does the result align with reasonable expectations? Are the units appropriately assigned? Can the underlying reasoning be articulated with clarity and coherence? In Lesson 13, verifying that the computed area is reasonable confirms the correctness of the method and strengthens understanding. In conclusion, the 4-step problem-solving plan, understand, plan, solve, and look back, turns complex problems into structured, solvable mathematical problems. In addition, whether at school, at home, or anywhere else, students should take notes during every problem-solving process. Each mathematics problem is designed to achieve a specific objective. Therefore, students are encouraged to record the method used, the theorems applied, the formulas involved, and any important remarks in their notebooks. Organizing key formulas on a single reference page can be especially helpful for recall during future problem-solving sessions. Furthermore, students should actively engage with high-quality mathematical content through their preferred learning channels and instructors. If a solution method is unclear, they should not hesitate to ask their teacher, tutor, or peers for clarification. Continuous reflection, discussion, and review are essential for building strong and lasting mathematical understanding. Keep practicing, share this lesson with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Olympiad Academy for more exciting math challenges. See you in the next lesson!